Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about emotion suppression. Emotion suppression means अपने emotions को control करना, emotions को suppress करना, अपनी words को suppress करना, अपनी communication को रोकना, अपनी expression को control करना. I think Constitution has given us right to speak so many years back, right? चीज़ों को, thoughts को, प्रॉब्लम्स को सप्रेस करना, कंट्रोल करना इनिशियल स्टेज में इज समथिंग which could be, slightly difficult for you. But in the chronic stage, if you keep on doing these things for a longer period of time, definitely you are going to turn up in a situation of anxiety issues, mental health issues, hormonal problems, metabolical issues, physical issues, lack of physical activity, definitely inflammation in the body, lot of pains. ये सभी चीज़ें interrelated हैं. Just by not talking about your issues, just by not sharing your problems, just by not communicating with others. So that's the only reason. You will see it very commonly. हर फैमिली में कोई ना कोई ऐसा ज़रूर होगा जो कि इस प्रॉब्लम को फेस कर रहा है, एंड द पीपल हु आर लिसनिंग एंड हैव सच पीपल इन द फैमिली विल अंडरस्टैंड इट वेरी वेल. दे विल एंड अप हैविंग autoimmune issues, which is majorly again common in females because the tendency and the society pressure and the emotional baggage is definitely majorly there on the females. तो ये problem females में कॉमन दिखता है, बट आई कांट रियली से दैट मेल्स डोंट अंडरगो विद सच काइंड ऑफ इश्यूज. बट हाँ, डेफिनेटली फीमेल्स में ये प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा रहता है. वंस यू सी अ थेरेपिस्ट, once you get in connection with some sort of a therapy and you just start taking things out of you, things really change. But I really want to say, why to really wait for that situation to come that you need a therapist? Why can't it happen in the initial stage by sharing those things to some close by person? Maybe shouting loud, crying out loud to take out whatever is there inside you. That's actually not giving you any peace. It is putting you under a lot of stress and creating so many issues with you. रोना, इमोशंस को एक्सप्रेस करना, लाइट फील करना, इट इज ओके. यू शुड डू इट एंड यू कैन डू इट. एंड टेकिंग आउट थिंग्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ anyone trusted person or any person in the family or any person you really trust upon is something which is very important. At least you need to make your brain relaxed enough from those negativity and negative thoughts and that pressure of not sharing and not talking and not having a communication. Not everybody will get that opportunity in the family itself. So you can definitely look forward for somebody to share your emotions, to share your thoughts. If nobody, then maybe God, the Almighty, that's available to everybody. So taking out things from yourself in all possible manner is going to really give you so much of relief that you can really save yourself from all these issues in your coming future. Just think about it.